Tama ba na may tax deductions and other deductions due to absences ang 13th month pay ko this year 2025? Answer, based po sa law or batas PD 851, if 90K or less ang 13th month pay mo, ito ay non-taxable. Ibig sabihin, ma'am or sir, only 90,000 and up na 13th month pay ang may tax. Kung sa inyo, less than 90,000, ay wala po itong tax. Very clear po yan. Under PD 851. So, paano ba i-compute ang 13th month pay? Ayan po, may formula tayo. Total basic salary earned in a calendar year divided by 12. Bakit 12? 12 months kasi yung 1 year. Okay? So, importante alam natin ang monthly basic salary natin for the month of January, February, March, April, up to December. As you can see sa example natin, meron na nakalagay na amount. This is kung wala kang absent. Example lang po yan, ha? So, ang gawin po ninyo, kung meron na kayong figure, i-total nyo lang po yung lahat ng amount from January 2025 up to December, then i-divide by 12. So, yan po ang 13th month pay ninyo if wala kayong absent. Ngayon, kung may absent kayo, ma'am, undertime, late, ay deduction po yan. Bakit po deduction? Kasi po yung monthly basic salary ninyo for the month ay mabawasan po yan. So for example, sa month of February, nakalagay dyan sa, di ba, hindi 16,000? Kasi po may deduction na po yan na late, absent, or undertime. And ang February ay hindi po 30 days or 31 days. Right? So medyo konti lang po ang monthly basic salary ng February. Ayan po. So sundin nyo lang po ang formula at i-deduct lang po yung absent ninyo, undertime or late, then divided by 12. Yan po ang 13th month pay computation. So kailan ba binibigay ang 13th month pay? So binibigay po ito on or before December 24 of the year. So may instruction si President ngayon kung pwede earlier than December 24 para naman ma-enjoy ng employee. Ayan po. So yung mga nagtatanong anong deduction, anong computation ng 13th month pay, ito na po yung sagot natin. Thank you for asking this question po sa YouTube channel natin. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.